Welcome back to the Rooster Garden. Today we're going to attempt to clean this, the greenhouse, the outside part of it. We got some stuff like crystal stuff they advertise on TV. See if it help cut this dirt and sap and all that stuff off this plastic right here. John's on this side at the moment, we're wetting that side over there down so it starts soaking in. Right over here we started spraying it and wiping it. You can see what difference is right here where we already did this at. It's trying to cut it loose. We'll spray it again, let it soak right there. Then we'll come back again. Then we just spray it off. We got a long pole, big old long cane pole. We have to put a towel or something on the end of it and just go back and forth and let drag back and forth to help cut that stuff loose. This side ain't that bad. The other side is really, really bad. So I'm gonna take you around there and show what it looks like. So that's what most of the sap, grime, and all that stuff from the trees and stuff, you know, got onto it. So get around on this side over here. Get right on down there was pretty bad at right here. I can turn this thing here around. See how dark this is right here? Watch this. Look at that. I mean, that is pretty well on there. So, but yep. Like I said, we're gonna let this soak for a little while. It may take a couple of coats. Get all this stuff cut off of there. But like I said, it's what they advertise on TV, clean your windows, outside windows in your house and stuff. So I thought I'd try it on this greenhouse and see if it cuts some of the stuff off of it. I know it's winter time, but hey, this thing's been up 3 years now, since 2017. It's 2020. And we kind of went over it once before. John said 2 years ago. But it don't take long for that sap to accumulate on that backside over there. So, you know, on the inside, I had a heater in there that put out a lot of smoke. It smoked up the inside of the greenhouse, but we got a lot of that cleaned out of there. We're concentrating on the outside of it right now. So, I'll get back with you. Just hold on. The other day, y'all see my little makeshift gate we've been doing, separating these things. We get the ducks in, the chickens in, the pens and stuff at the coop. Got out here yesterday, and I built me a wood wall and a wood gate, freestanding on its own, you know. So, well, it's got posts in the ground. But now we're gonna do is open the gate, let them through, whichever way you want to go with them. So I still got to do some more, but this is what I got so far. That's what I got so far. Go from the greenhouse over to the pen right here. Right now it's got me a little carabiner hook right here. Now all we gotta do is walk everything through the gate. Once we get them all through here, all we gotta do is push this thing back around and latch it right down here. I'll probably get me a slide latch to put down here. This little makeshift deal here is. But it ain't gonna go nowhere. The ducks and chickens ain't gonna push it down. The top I cut off, made a little deal right here. The chicks come to the other side, they can see through, but they don't realize they can't go through that wall. They go backwards and forwards. So this here maybe help make them go out through the gate. I got this chain link fence gate right here. There'll be another wood gate going all the way to the fence over here, blocking all that off. Same height, that way all this stuff here be kind of blend together, all this wood stuff. So that's what we got done so far on the building fences and gates. I took off that sunshade stuff here off this fence. Getting on my nerves, really didn't like it, so we took it off. So now you kind of see through there, trying to see the fence and all that stuff. So I'm gonna put a wood fence from there up to when the greenhouse is going to be. Then the window greenhouse, then a gate, and then another wood fence to that corner of the greenhouse there. It's all said and done. So we're working on it. But back in here, out here, and in here cleaning the greenhouse. So had to go about it a different way. We started with that crystal stuff they advertised on TV. They got it soapy and everything, but really wasn't cutting it off like they show it does. So we finally got our pressure washer going. I showed the left side what John worked on, and we're doing the back side now. Let me turn this thing here around. I'll show you how it's looking. This side over here is where we did that soap, that crystal. You see the line down through there. Down this side, you can't see the line there as far we got it. Putting the ladder at a 45-degree angle. So we're washing this side here down. It don't look that bad from the inside, but on the outside you can see how dirty it is. Now I'm over here on the back side. See right there on top, it's dark there. See how dirty it is. So you get fat, like from the trees blowing over here. I haven't been cleaning in about 2 years, so it's gonna build up out here. I'm making headway on it though. We gotta get it clean. Well, we're making headway. But the was there. Those poles are 4 foot across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 deals done. It'd be 20 foot. So that means we got 28 more foot going down that way. I'm spraying the bottom. I wouldn't know where to put the cushion above, below where it's dirty at. So then we got to clean the skirting down through here. Walk around there. I'll show you what the other side looks like. This side here was really, really dirty. Uh-oh. Here comes the ducks. Time to go clean the pool. Yeah. Get on to this side over here. Where's your two going? Huh? Flat. Yeah. Then you see how clean this other side looks compared to that side over there. So a whole lot cleaner over here. So I guess that does. Back side over there was really, really dirty. We still gotta get the very top up there. I don't know how we're gonna get up there, but pretty dirty up there too. But we're getting what we can right now. We have to keep working on it. Here we are with the baby rabbits again. They are a week old now. Get this thing turned around here. I'll show you how much they've grown. They're getting moving around in the nest quite a bit, but they're really, really growing. Get this thing turned around here. Let's see if I can't pull it around here so you can see what they look like now. Get this camera turned around. Oops. Come here, Brownie. Let's see babies. Come here. Come here and see babies. Come here. Turn around and see babies. Come here. These are all down here on the end down here now. They sure are growing. Put the camera down. Better get a lot of color to them now. Oh, let me pick one up. See how big it's getting? They're getting big. They're doing good. Mama's taking good care of them. Yep. She's taking good care of the babies. Yeah. Look at how big is this one getting. Come here, little one. Come here, little one. Yeah, grow. Whoops. Get back down here, back down here. Ah, there we go. shouldn't be long. Our eyes should be getting open. So, but that's an update on the first rabbits born here at the Rooster Garden. So, like I said, Mama's taking good care of them, so they're growing. We took a little break, washing the backside of this greenhouse. We got about 80% of it cleaned. We still got that big strip in the middle. I show you, and I walk around the inside, you can see how much is left. We got about 28 feet on the outside here. Some of them got halfway up there, so let me turn around, I'll show you how far we're getting with it. And I'll show you what, 2 years ago, a tree limb fell out of the tree up here and went through my greenhouse plastic. So now I gotta replace that tape to seal it back up. But you can see about, there's the end of there. We got to clean it all the way up to the top where it goes over, so we got to figure out how we're going to get up and do that. But I think we're getting done so far. Still got to clean the skirting on the bottom, but it's easy, you know. But get up on that ladder like that, it hurts your back and your legs. So you got to figure out how I'm going to do that top side up there. So let me walk around here, and on the inside you kind of see what it looks like. So I've got to get started on my window greenhouse or something happens to my windows. Little henny pennies. I call them henny penny, all of them. Alright, we're back inside the greenhouse. Let's see that little strip way up there. I think I can get a cushion or something to put on with cross braces up there and wash out all the way down there. But you can sure tell the difference what's clean and not clean. The inside, 2 years ago, I think it's 2 years ago, I tried to heat it with the stove. It had some smoke in here. It smoked up the plastic pretty bad. So off and on, we've been trying to clean that out of here. But that's what it looks like. We've still got a lot of work to do, so we'll get it. We'll get her done. So, get back around here. When I come back down, I went in there to check the baby rabbits and stuff, and somebody's laying eggs just out in the open. I think it's freebie. They started out with the egg with no shell. There's that jelly stuff, you know, real flexible stuff. But now it's getting to have a shell to it. Now I think it's free because I usually where she's been on the ground at. So I think she is laying about every other day, best I can figure. So where's that egg I found? Yeah, this is the egg that I found right out in front where she was laying a few minutes ago. But it's a good egg. This is one that was in the nest back there. So like I said, I don't know who's doing it, freebie or one of them mother hens. That it's kind of hard to catch which one's doing it. But freebie on the ground, that's okay because she can't get up in them nests like the bigger hens, the barred rocks do. But if it's a barred rock, then they need to get a nest, put them all in one place. But I'm gonna call it a day. Do some more washing on that greenhouse later on. Like I said, I'm tired and John's tired, and he starts the night shift, and he's in there laying down resting, and we doing work today. So we'll try to get this thing loaded up for you, and get in there and try to watch some of y'all's videos and stuff. Y'all have a super afternoon or super morning, whenever you see this. Come on back and visit me at the Rooster Garden and see what's going on around here. Like I said, I live in the city. I took a perfectly good city backyard, turned it into about 100 by 100 mini farm back here with a variety of different chickens. My ducks, got 2 variety of ducks, still growing. Like I don't know what I'll put in here next, but right down this building stuff, and next year gonna be a good garden here, I hope. So, like I said, I'm gonna quit running my bad zoo, as my grandpa used to say, and get in and do something else. And y'all come back to the Rooster Garden. Take care. Bye bye.